What's up, guys? It's Tuesday, and I have a couple ice makers, a few dishwashers, also an oven range, and a gas oven. So we got a pretty full day today. I'll try to get some good footage in, feeling a little bit better than what I did yesterday. But y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Real fast, here is the heating element inserts for your Samsung dryers. Got a 3-pack, 42 bucks. These are retail for like $100 some. Big profits. On this job, the ice maker was leaking. This isn't a Kenmore fridge, but it's actually a Frigidaire setup. Frigidaire has become more aware of the manufacturer flaw in this particular unit. The ice maker has an evaporator in it itself, and it'll freeze up, lock everything up, and cause water to drip. We're going to put the whole kit in it. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Old Samson here. Bam. Yep. It's froze up. In this particular machine, what we do is we go in and we replace the control board, replace the thermistors, replace the defrost thermostat, and the heater. We call it giving it the treatment, because this is just what we do on Samsung refrigerators. Okay, this is a schematic on a Kenmore oven range. The customer's complaint is none of the burners are working, nothing was functioning. So I knew there had to be an issue somewhere. We're not allowed the proper power to come in. Come to find out, it was the high limit switch. But what was blowing the high limit switch was the oven was getting hotter than what it's supposed to. Temp sensor checked out, so we're getting the control board. Alright guys, on this particular dishwasher, there's a sensor under here. It's obviously got a leak in it, and what it'll do is it will continue to pump out, because it's a safety mechanism. There's water in here. You can see that float right there. It's got styrofoam in it. I'm fixing to push it down the way that we can get the dishwasher to function and maybe identify where the leak's at. This is just your good old common Frigidaire ice maker that you can get for like 38 bucks off of Amazon. It was not progressing, it was dead, not doing anything, so we replaced it. What we have here is an older Frigidaire wash machine. The complaint was it's not spinning nor draining. As you can see, there is the broken belt, just an $8 belt, so we was able to replace it and get it taken care of. Now remember guys, I am going to be doing training videos. I will be breaking down how I troubleshoot ice makers, water valves, also how I troubleshoot oven ranges. I just kind of went over briefly on what I replaced, told you what I done, but remember to like and subscribe. Also, I'm creating a Facebook page. I took the other video down with my business page on. I want to have it so we can talk business and my customers won't see it. Thank you guys for watching this already following my channel. I hope y'all having a great week. And if it's your first time, hit the like and subscribe to get the latest videos. Thank you for watching.